Many global manufacturing customers considering a new automated corrugated box making machine often worry about operational complexity and worker training periods. Regarding the Suzhou Rencheng Model 1220 for machinery, the equipment successfully utilizes an intuitive programmable logic controller touchscreen control system. Consequently, ordinary shop floor workers can typically master the core workflows easily and begin operating the machinery completely independently within just 1 to 2 working days. In terms of structural equipment reliability and long-term warranty protection, the entire manufacturing unit features heavily reinforced wall panels, premium transmission gears, and famous branded electrical components, undergoing rigorous full-process quality inspections prior to factory shipment. We proudly provide a comprehensive 1-year warranty for the system, alongside long-term access to specialized spare parts and continuous technical support. Contact our professional technical customer service team today to discuss your plant automated layout, and remember to subscribe to our official channel for more advanced engineering insights.